County in northwestern Georgia, Haralson County in northwestern Georgia, Paulding County in northwestern Georgia, Polk County in northwestern Georgia, until 3:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 9:52 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Cartersville, Dallas, Cedartown, Buck Canyon, Bremen, Temple, Rockmart, Ian Harley, Tallapoosa, Emerson, Aragon, Cave Spring, Waco, Braswell, Taylorsville, Yorkville, Van Wert, Fish Creek, Antioch, and Eubank Lake. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. What? Minor